From above, our planet looks peaceful, blue, alive, and full of promise. But beneath this beauty lies a growing threat, one that could reshape civilization itself. Sea levels are rising faster than at any point in recorded history. By 2050, hundreds of millions of people may find their homes beneath the waterline. The signs are already visible in the floods, in the tides, in the silence after the storm. This is not the distant future, it is today. Even the most iconic landmarks are at risk. Venice, a city built on water, now fights a battle it is slowly losing. From coastal America to the islands of the Pacific, the tide is rewriting our maps. The numbers are staggering. Over 800 million lives at risk by mid-century. And with every inch the oceans rise, the danger multiplies. We call it nuisance flooding. But for millions, it is already disaster. The storms are stronger, the tides higher, the recovery harder each time. And this is just the beginning. What happens when the sea takes more than just the shore? When the coastline floods, the impact spreads far beyond the water's edge. Critical infrastructure begins to fail, piece by piece. Power grids shut down. Hospitals lose electricity. Cities go dark. Transportation collapses when the roads and railways sink beneath the tide. Airports, ports, and warehouses become unusable. And when sanitation fails, disease and contamination follow. Economic shockwaves ripple across nations. Properties lose value, investments collapse, and trillions evaporate overnight. Entire industries depend on the coast. Shipping, tourism, trade. As coastlines retreat, global trade routes must be redrawn. Some cities are already living this future. Norfolk, home to major naval bases, floods dozens of times each year, and Jakarta, one of the world's largest cities, is sinking faster than any other. Indonesia is literally relocating its capital to escape the rising sea. These are early warnings, signs of a future we cannot ignore. When cities fall to the sea, people have no choice but to leave. This may become the largest human migration in history. Millions will be uprooted, not by war, but by water. Entire communities will vanish beneath the tides. And with displacement comes uncertainty, fear, and loss. Where will these people go? Inland cities will struggle to absorb sudden surge of climate refugees. Housing, jobs, food, and water will all be in short supply. Resource scarcity can spark conflict even in peaceful regions. Nations will face immense pressure to open or close their borders. Some communities will welcome migrants, others may resist. But behind every statistic is a human story. Families forced to leave the land called home. Their journey is long, their future uncertain. But this is only the beginning of what rising seas could bring. Faced with a rising ocean, humanity turns to engineering for survival. Around the world, towering barriers are being built to hold back the tide. But these walls are expensive, some costing tens of billions, and walls can fail, so engineers look beyond the coastline. Floating cities, once science fiction, now being tested, sustainable, self-powering, and built to rise with the sea. But the scale required is enormous. Others push for even more radical ideas. Geoengineering, reshaping the planet itself, comes with dangerous consequences. Interfering with global systems could trigger unpredictable climate reactions. Some scientists warn that these solutions only delay the inevitable, and the environment pays the price. So we face a difficult question. Are we trying to save our cities, or just buy more time? Because against the rising sea, every solution has limits. Our story does not end in despair, because humanity has the power to change its path. Around the world, coastal restoration projects are already making a difference. Mangroves and wetlands absorb waves, reduce erosion, and protect communities. Renewable energy is accelerating faster than ever. These technologies cut emissions. It give us a chance to slow the seas. Cities are redesigning themselves to live with water, not fight it. From Amsterdam to Singapore, innovation is already shaping the future. Engineers, scientists, and communities are working together. Their goal: protect lives, preserve cities, and prepare for what is ahead. And while the challenge is enormous, our ability to act is even greater. We cannot undo the past, but we can shape the future. If we choose action, together, we can still protect our world. The future is not written. The sea is rising, but so is our resolve.